Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and for all of you out there that think it's safe to download software with cracks to actually activate them or have them working, well, something really bad is happening right now. There is a surge in the amount of hijacks of browsers with something called the Chromeloader. And the Chromeloader is actually a malware that redirects you to bad sites, fakes searches to bring you to places other than what you would normally see, and of course threatens the security of your system. And the fantastic thing about it is that no antivirus actually sees it. You know, when I tell you, being careful with your PCs and what you do with it, not pirating software, not downloading illegal movies, is the way to stay safe, not the antivirus you use. Stop paying for antivirus. Stop going crazy over, I got the best antivirus in the world. Just saying that shows how you don't know what security is all about. So the Chromeloader is actually started to be seen by many security companies around the month of February this year, but now it has a huge spike. So most of it comes from hacks or cracks that people download to try to activate software. For example, cracks to make a Windows version activated rather than pay for it, for example. In any software or games, a lot of that comes from games and software like Adobe Photoshop, trying to get Photoshop without having to pay for it. So it does a lot of things. It steals your personal information, your passwords. You can lose access to your accounts, and it can steal password of your bank accounts and all the info needed to actually access and steal your money. Once again, stay away from cracks. Stay away from illegal software. It is a huge problem, and actually many security companies are saying it's becoming a plague that is making the internet more dangerous to those that are actually safe. And also what they're mentioning is that Mac computers are also vulnerable, and there's a spike in Apple Macs that actually, because on Macs people also download cracks to actually install illegal software, and it is becoming a big problem on Mac computers also. So don't believe that you are safe with a big gun antivirus. Don't believe that because you're on a Mac computer you're safe and you cannot get infected by anything. It's false and fake news. So make sure that you are not doing bad things, illegal stuff, downloading cracks of any kind, or any types of software you don't even know what it is, because it is right now a serious issue. And we're going to observe, actually, I'm going to continue observing the trends of this Chromeloader because this is really a big problem. And you might say, well, Chromeloader, it means it's just for Google Chrome. Remember, all the browsers that are Chromium-based, most of them can install anything that is installable on Chrome, which means Edge is affected, Opera will be affected, Brave will be affected. All of that is a problem. So, stop downloading illegal stuff, and it's stealing anyways. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.